Empty house tour.
Empty house tour.
Can you open the garage? I was hitting the wrong button. Yeah.
It's like a close and open button?
Yeah. So here's the garage. So quiet. Alright. Upstairs first. So first room. 2 closets. Bathroom. Just a bathroom. I need to figure out how to make this thing stop moving. Second room. Another bathroom. It's smaller than the other one.
Check if they're turning the lights on.
Hmm?
Check if they're turning the lights on.
Why? Oh. You can see which way the sun is rising. Pretty sure they didn't paint this house.
No.
Full bathroom number 1. Shower. Toilet bidet. Bedroom number 3. Or 1. It's on the first floor. I don't know. Yeah. Look at this thing. Don't know the switches. There's 3 closets. I don't know what's happening with this camera right now. closet. You can turn all the lights on now. Storage room with extra shelves for the closet. Another closet where we can build other shelves. Empty closet. Some shelves. Outside. AC. This is gonna be our room. See? Bathroom. And this is the dryer. I'm going to have a washer and a jacuzzi tub and a full shower, standing shower, a toilet of the day, and a towel drying rack.